Hey guys, here's my unboxing. This amp is brand new. It's about 10 years old. It's a VRX 6.420 from Audison. Basically the Theses amps came out, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago and replaced these. So these ones were actually made in Italy. I think the Theses ones are as well. So there's the box. I already unboxed it already, but yeah, there's the speakers going in tomorrow. Got some other focals here. These are the 165 KR2s. Probably going to go in the girlfriend's car. And anyways, here's this amp. Pretty much a monster. Really. What do they call them? The surfboard amps. So there you go. Get a better close up of that. So there it is, the VRX 420. These things are about $3,000 when they came out, even more I think, depending on where you got it. It's a really nice amp. The reason I got it unboxed already because I was testing it, and it's perfect. It's been sitting for 10 years. How about that, eh? So this is going to eventually run my three-ways up front. It's going to be 75 watts times 2 to the tweeters, 75 watts times 2 to the mid, and then 85 by 2 to the woofers. When I put this in, I'm going to go active with a DSP, probably the Helix DSP Pro MK2. That's the front runner right now. So anyways, that's it. This was the chrome shadow, so I actually have the mount that goes over top of it. It's got the chrome shadow finish on it, but I actually like this color as it is right now. All right, thanks guys.